Hi, I'm Helia, mobility coach for Njoie, and I'm here to talk to you about your hamstring and how to loosen it up with MFLEX. Hamstrings are often forgotten, and they are usually weaker because your quads are doing most of the work. Hamstrings are important because they lead to avoiding things. Strong hamstrings avoid things like back pain, pelvic pain, knee pain, foot pain, even shoulder pain. It's all related to what your body is doing and what muscles are pulling on your bones and whatnot. So making sure that you are loosening your hamstrings, especially men, they have tighter hamstrings than women. Making sure you're loosening up your hamstrings sets you up for a more pain-free life. All right, so we're gonna place the MFLEX right in front of us, move our body parallel to it, and then your feet are flat on the floor, your hips are stable here, and then I want you to straighten out one of your legs. We're hitting one section at a time. So I'm gonna move actually to this side so you can see better. And then from here, I can either lift my body and put more pressure on my hamstring, or I can actually keep my body on the floor. And what you're gonna work on here is rotating your hip in and out, rotating in and out. And it should feel pretty good, but there are going to be spots that are more tender than others. So maybe if you move up further towards the groin, it will be more tender. So I'm gonna keep moving on top, using my breath as my guide. If you feel like you're breathing too fast, your heart rate's starting to raise, obviously you're hitting a pain point. So try to bring your heart rate back down. Take a couple deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth, and keep rotating as you're moving up and down that leg. To get off, simply lift your knee, slide in MFLEX out, and you're all done.